Hello, and this is Beast of the Gamer, and today we are playing some... What?
I thought you already did an intro earlier.
Yeah, but I had to... No, because your recording stopped, so I stopped mine, then I deleted it, so now we're doing it again. Okay, so we're playing White Noise. If you haven't watched our other videos, this is White Noise. It's a very scary game.
And it's something called, and there's kids standing right behind us.
Hey!
I'm that big muscly dude that wants to kill everybody.
No, you're not. You're this... Daphne. You're Daphne from Scooby-Doo.
Shut up.
Shut up! Okay.
Don't speak like that, that's scared the hell out of me.
What, like, yeah.
Yes, there's more bloody footsteps.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh my.
Yeah, I don't want to look around this other corner because I've got a feeling there's something around there.
Okay.
Oh, it's a dead end. I feel like this is not a museum, but it really was.
Oh, spiderwebs.
Can you hear a camera? There it is. There it is.
What?
Kate. Oh god, he's gonna start turning up now. Yes, no matter what happens, we've got to stay together, okay? He's gonna start coming now.
Oh my gosh, my heart's racing.
Then.
Going this.
Well, now I know, because mine's racing because I know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I'll do something fuzzy.
Is it? Mine's not. My knees are literally going. Oh my screen's going further. Oh my gosh, there he is. There he is. Run this way. This way. This way. Run this way. Run away. 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 Run. Are you running?
I can't run anymore.
You can't. Well, lucky our screens are not fuzzy, so it must be when the screen goes fuzzy, then you know it's gonna come.
Yes, that just sounded wrong.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Boop. There we go, when we're back. The screen just had a moment where it just went shutting down in 98, 99 seconds. Yeah, and it's just very weird. Where? Oh, sugar. I just saw it. Run this way as well. Just run in every direction. Do you hear that like clink when you stop running?
That's not a horse.
Yeah, you just go. You like clock, clink.
Yes, you do realise there's about 7 rooms here, 6 rooms.
I know. We're going the first one. We're going straight on. Straight on.
I think he's behind us.
No, it's not. Shh. There's no one there, Ollie. There's no one there. There's no one there. We're alone. We're alone. And it's a lovely museum, and everything's lovely, and no one wants to kill us. Yes. Oh wait, is he trying to kill us? I'm not sure.
But he did last video.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is gonna scare. Is it? My one's not. Yeah, I'm not.
This is your head again. He's in there. He's in there. He's in there.
Run this way. This way. Clock, 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 clock. Clink.
Oh. You might be wondering why I'm not doing recording this. It's because
He's uploading the first one. Yeah.
My camera died.
Yeah. The camera died. Yeah, definitely. Where are you, Ollie?
Yes.
Where are you?
Yes, I see you behind you.
Oh, there. Hi.
Yes, I might just go find the screen. I might just go.
Oh
God,
shit.
He's there.
Oh my gosh, I'm going this way. Going this way. Just run. Just run. I just clinked again. He's appearing so fast now. Just to tell you, I probably didn't tell you this when we started recording, but I turned up the difficulty.
Wait, what?
To normal.
Yes, where are you?
That's probably why he's more frequent. Than before.
This room says death.
No. This room says.
Hello.
No, this is the foot painting room. They're doing some foot painting, you know.
He's on your left, he's on your left.
Oh, sugar. Running back the way I came.
He's behind.
Where are you? Are you coming? There you are. Run this way then. There's
I
some.
can't run anymore.
Oh no, when you stop running, you should be able to like. You should stop and then run a bit. I don't.
I'm getting crackling.
Yeah, my screen's going funny again. It's gonna be somewhere.
I can hear.
It's gonna be somewhere, I can tell it. Oh, I don't hear the of a. Now I hear it. This way, Ollie, maybe. In there.
Thank you.
Oh, with the statue, so that's amazing. Thanks, Ollie. Thanks a lot.
What?
For going in the room with the statues. Oh, look, there's a recording. There it is. There's one. Yay.
Where do you want to go? Down here. Go down here. I've never...
I know what you mean. Like, me and Ollie do not play scary games. This is one thing that we don't play. Because firstly, I get scared very
I
easy.
watch scary movies often.
I don't watch scary movies unless we...
Jesse, behind that pole.
Where?
To your left, behind the pole.
Sugar. This way.
Where are you going? Which way?
This way.
Where are we going?
This way, Ollie. Look. There he is again.
He just stands there and watches you. I don't like it.
What if I just look at him?
You'll die.
No, I'm watching him. I know, he's gone behind the shadows. We're gonna go back, and he's gone. Fantastic. He's a magical man. Oh, yeah. Just watch him. Just watch him. Run backwards.
Oh god, he's killing me. He's killing me.
Is he? Can't, because I can't see him. I've got to be able to see him for him to be killing you. If you're as terrified as we are, that's impossible. Yeah, we can look. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, that. No. Where are you, Ollie? There you are. Sugar, there's behind there. What about fudge? That could be. Is that like, you know, like a new fudge company's motto? Fudge jibber 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 jibber. Oh, fudge jibber jibber jibber. Whoa, whoa, fudge jibber jibber jibber. That would be, yeah, amazing. Fan.
I've got a feeling I'm gonna die in a minute.
I got a feeling I'm gonna die. Look, this is modern art. Do you think this is a modern art gallery? Look at all the sculptures. It's modern art, duh. What do you think it is?
This thing looks like it has a penis skin.
No, this is an alien's hand. An alien's penis.
Why are we looking at art when we could be dying? Jez, where are you?
Because this is a museum. It's a museum of futuristic art. Let's go this way. Got
a feeling this way's going to be death as well.
Yeah, it was.
Left, you look right. 3, 2, 1. Clear.
Clear. Go my way.
Let's go your way.
Dog jump. Ollie.
What?
Oh, I really... I can imagine him just being there as I flick off and flick off the light.
No, we've already been in that room. Don't go back down the hall. Don't go back down the hall.
Why?
Can you there?
He's right there, right behind you. Over there.
Fire.
No, right. He's right over there. He's in the darkness bit now. But I saw him right there. He's not right behind you. I saw him right behind that pillar, like right next to that pillar there. That one.
Down the corridor.
I'm shining at.
It's me that he's like.
Oh my gosh, is your torch flickering?
Yes.
My one is as well. Oh my gosh. I tell you, he's just gonna be there when it's like. Oh! He's behind you! He's behind you!
James, where are you? Where the hell go, James?
Oh, this. Okay, go your way. Your way looks better.
No.
This
No,
way?
you're way away from him.
Wait, he's gonna be everywhere, you know. Oh, there. We're back to the alien finger. It's an alien penis.
It's like a Star Wars penis is going out there, okay?
It could be that thing, you know, like like in the movies, like they throw under cars and it pop the wheels. Them little tiny
That's
things.
called spikes, James.
Spikes. No. Oh,
Just go this way.
look at him. I just watch him. If you watch him,
Oh my God.
what?
My player screamed and then he despawned.
He didn't despawn. Look, he's still there. It's okay. It's okay. We're not dead. No one's dead, and no one's gonna be dead. Oh, it's going fuzzy.
Crackling. I'm about to die, James. I'm about to die.
Oh, I'm about to die as well. There he is. There he is. Look, watch him. Oh, flip! I'm gonna die. No, I'm actually gonna die. Run. Just run. Oh, there we go. I'm dead.
You died.
Yep. Yep, I'm dead.
Well,
I'm gonna find you
where are you?
and help you. Oh, look. It looks really cool when you're dead.
I can't see you.
It's like all luminous. Okay.
Oh God, he's...
I'm near
What
the
happens if you
modern
find
art.
Mister.
Hello. You're dead. You're dead. Let's not do that.
We survived like 30 seconds longer than last time, Jez.
Yeah.
Still on a harder difficulty. I still survived longer than you. And I got all the tapes.
1 minute, like a few seconds longer than me. Yeah, you got all the tapes because I showed you where they were though.
No, I saw them as well.
Since you got more screams.
It's like the replay.
Yeah.
Let's see how many loops we do. Because it was about 15 loops.
I think is the map smaller. This map must be smaller than the other one. Actually, I think all these maps are joined together. So look, because we was down that side.
Yeah, right. You see where we stopped? That's
Yeah.
where we tried to figure out what was wrong with my camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't record a video while something.
Yeah. And then we screamed. That was me. There's another scream from. No, they're not screams. They're just sightings. I think that's just where you see it.
There's three.
Oh.
There's another one.
This is what happens when you turn up the difficulty.
Yes, there's a third.
No, you found something there. Oh, no, scream. We just ran straight into him, literally.
Yes, you do realise the red is all the red stuff is me.
No, the red stuff is me. The red stuff is me.
Stuff's you.
No, you're grey. You're grey. If you look around your character, you're grey.
I'm the ginger one.
Yeah, so you're grey and I'm red.
Yeah, no, my character was red.
Okay,
But we both
sorry.
red flag from our point of view.
Yeah. Well, I got a load of
Right,
screams. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Slap a like. Well, it's just slap the like button.
Jez, do you want to go to start me a new Let's Play?
We could start a new Let's Play. Ooh.
Yeah, right, we'll do that.
Yeah. Bye.